Yo guys, welcome to the TechStuff channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize permanently your command prompt on Windows. First of all, of course, open your command prompt. Once it's done, just right-click on the top border of the window and go to Properties. Here are all the properties you need to customize permanently your command prompt. You can play with it a bit, but for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to click on the Colors tab because it's usually the customization you're looking for. First of all, let's customize the color of the text. Let's choose one of the displayed color here. For instance, let's choose the red one. If you want, as you can see here, you can select your own RGB values to have the perfect color. That is to say, the color you want specifically. Now let's customize the background, and I'm going to choose the white because I think this is very nice with the red. And here you can, play with the opacity of the window. And as you can see, this is pretty red. I'll choose 60. All right. Then click OK. Now, as you can see, no color changes. And this is because you need to restart your command prompt. And there you go. Now, of course, you can play with it as you like. And now, each time you open the command prompt, this is with those new default settings. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If it's the case, don't forget to leave a like and of course to subscribe for more tutorials and random tech stuff. Enjoy your new settings, and I see you in the next one.